Welcome guys, so today I am with Pioneer SE-E6 wireless earphones and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your iPhone. So at the first you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%, and next you'll find the button right here, it's indicator, and we have to click and hold this multifunction button until this indicator starts blinking on the red and the blue. So let's make it right now. Click and hold, keep holding. Right now we can release. Then go for the settings on your iPhone, tap on the Bluetooth, tap on the switcher, and then pick from available devices list Pioneer SE-E6 Bluetooth. And there it is, we are connected. So that's how you can make it, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.